Okay, so we're here going to try our first vending machine here in Tokyo. These are our selections. We're trying to figure out what in the shit this stuff is. Oh, they do have American coffee. Called American coffee. Smart black, sports drink, black tea. So we went with, I got grape sparkling Mistio, no clue. Linda got
some citrus water.
Okay, and you said it was good though, right?
Yeah, it's really good. Tasty.
Really good. Okay, yeah. So kind of neat. If you guys are wondering, you see the prices there. It says like 120 yen, 140. That pretty much comes down to $1.20, $1.40. It's pretty much that is the exchange rate. So if you see yen on anything, just move the decimal point over 2 points, and that's pretty much the same as it is in American.